On the 1st of August 2007, in the evening rush hour, an 8-lane interstate bridge over the Mississippi fell into the river. The plates that failed were half an inch thick. It crossed the river half a mile below St. Anthony Falls, in the middle of Minneapolis. This is what it looked like. 14 spans, 1,907 feet end to end. The deck sat 115 feet above the water. It had been open for 39 years. A gusset plate is the steel that joins the members of a truss together. It carries everything that meets at that joint. On this bridge, some of them had been drawn half an inch thick. They were undersized from the day it was designed. The plates were half an inch of steel. Over the years, the deck had been resurfaced more than once, and 2 inches of extra concrete had gone on. On the day itself, 4 of the 8 lanes were shut for resurfacing. The sand, water, and vehicles standing on it came to £578,000. A plate ripped along a line of rivets, and the bridge went into the river. This is the first morning after. The whole central span went down together, looking south. 13 people were killed. 145 were injured. Cars were left standing on the broken deck. Rescue workers went out onto what was left of the central span. A school bus carrying 63 children came to rest against the guardrail. Jeremy Hernandez, a 20-year-old staff member on the bus, helped the children off. It took 81 minutes to triage and move every one of the injured. Navy divers came in to work the river. The Corps of Engineers dropped the river level by 2 feet so they could reach the wreckage. From the air, the scale of it. The board found the undersized gusset plates were the primary cause, and the weight on the bridge a contributing factor. 40 years of inspections had not found it. Nobody had been looking at the thickness of the plates. Before and after, from the same angle. A new bridge was built for $234 million and opened in September 2008. Minnesota agreed $38 million for the people who were hurt. Red Cross volunteers counseled 2,000 people in the week that followed. Inspections look for corrosion, cracks, and fatigue, which are things that happen to a bridge over time. This was not something that happened to the bridge. It was the size the steel had been cut to in 1967. What does an inspection find, if the fault was there at the start?